Hey everybody, it's Erin again. We're here for part 5 of the Nordic Star stocking. If you're just joining in and you need to find all the other parts, I've added a playlist here up at the top, and then there's also more information down below. We're here for part 5 of the cowl. This is the 5th and final part, and we will be crocheting up the heel today. You will find the free written instructions on my website, and if you want to have the full written instructions with all the charts, all the information all in one place, make sure you purchase the pattern. We've left room for the heel in our previous sections, so now we're going to go ahead and crochet it up. So grab your hook, your yarn, your stocking, let's finish it up. If you enjoy my crochet-alongs, would you consider helping me create more by funding my coffee habit? Today, I want to thank Therese for purchasing this coffee for me. Thank you so much. She says, I hope this helps you reach your goal. It sure does, because now I'm able to get this cowl out to you. Thank you for coffee. These one-off coffee donations are just a way for people to say thank you for the patterns and the free crochet-alongs that I host. If you want me to keep providing free yarn-related content, go ahead, buy me a coffee. We are ready now to add the heel to our project. We have our hole here that we left earlier. And now what we're going to do is work single crochets around. We're going to add 4 decreases for each round. Make this smaller, smaller, smaller. First things first is I'm going to put stitch markers in each of these corners, so we can mark our stitch so we can easily see where we're going to be working our decreases. Then I'm going to be using my color A. Okay, where our stitch marker is, we're going to join our color A, the slip stitch, the chain 1, and then I'm going to work along the bottom of this heel. For the first stitch, we're going to single crochet 2 together, which is a decrease. That first stitch where we joined and where our stitch marker is, do a partial single crochet, and then the next stitch, insert our hook, pull the yarn through, and we should have 3 loops on our hook. Turn over and pull through all 3 of those loops. So we've just single crocheted these first 2 stitches together. Now just do 1 single crochet per stitch along the bottom of this heel until we get to the end. You're going to want to leave 2 single crochet stitches at the bottom. So it'll be about 20 single crochet stitches. Okay, now we're 2 away from our stitch marker. I'm going to work another decrease, single crochet these next 2 stitches together. And then I'm going to do that again in this next stitch. It's here. Single crochet these next 2 stitches together. And once we get to the top of our heel on this side, this is where we did our chain stitches and our mosaic, so it's going to feel a little bit different. Don't let that stop you, just keep going. We're going to do a single crochet in each stitch across until there's only 2 stitches left. Okay, here we have 2 stitches left. So I'm going to do single crochet 2 together. And that's the end of our first round of the heel. Basically, we're going to repeat that for all 9 rounds of the heel. We start out with a single crochet 2 together, and then a single crochet per stitch along the bottom. When we have 2 stitches left, then we will single crochet 2 together 2 times, go across the top. Okay, keep repeating that for all 9 rounds, making sure that we decrease by 4 stitches each round because we have those 4 decreases. Then we're going to fasten off with a very long tail. So I'll meet you at the end of round 9. So press pause and keep going, and I'll see you there. And once you get to the last single crochet together of round 12, then you can fasten off. Make sure you leave a long tail for weaving in and for closing up your heel here. So just have a little opening left, and I'm going to take my needle and we're going to close this up. I'm going to go through these front loops here and do a whip stitch. Just want to close it off so that none of these presents fall through the hole. And then, as always, once you're done, fasten off and weave in your ends. And you have yourself a cute little stocking. We just finished our stocking. We just finished our stocking. We just finished our stocking. Now let's hang it up. Boom! Just made that up on the fly. Guys, we're done. What do you think? Do you love your stocking? What's your favorite part about it? I would love to know. Please comment below. Let's chit chat about this stocking. Was there any parts that surprised you? Were there any parts that you found excruciatingly hard? What is it? What was your favorite part about this cowl? Let me know down below. Please share pictures of your progress in the Juniper and Oaks Crochet Community Facebook group that's linked down below. You can also share pictures and videos and reels of your progress all over Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whatever. Just tag me. I'm at Juniper and Oaks on all the things, and use the hashtag Nordic Star Stocking. I would love, love, love to see your stockings all over the internet. If you guys love this pattern and you still haven't made the Nordic Star blanket, make sure that you check out the information and please join. That would be totally awesome. I love you guys. Now go ahead and make like 5 or 6 more of these and give them out to your family and friends for Christmas time. Happy crocheting, everybody. Bye.